Navigating social media as a business owner can be really tricky. There's a lot of people who have businesses but don't get the social media right. Also, I think it can be really personable as well. I've gone on a little bit of a journey recently, and I think for me is making sure what I'm taking on board and bringing into my life on a daily basis, because you check your phone quite a lot nowadays, and let's face it, it's not just a phone, it's a computer really. So you're checking that computer every couple of minutes, or every hour, every half an hour, in and out of working operating hours, in your personal time, you're constantly having that feed coming into you. So I think it's really important to care who you're following, what are you consuming on a daily basis, and how is that affecting your day. You can see a post by someone you know that can affect you in your working day, and you didn't even know. So stop that. Be very careful about how you consume your social media. And again, if you're doing social media for your business, I always think, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? Is it just an advert? Because at the minute, if you sweep for Instagram, it just feels like an advert. And what you want to do is think, I'm going to give value. Am I giving value? Is it growing me? And is it giving value to the people in my audience?